Massive collapse at Kilauea Volcano, Hawaii today in a powerful eruption. Scientists provide answers. Kilauea Volcano in Hawaii is again exhibiting strong volcanic activity. Lava erupted from the Halemaʻumaʻu crater this morning, marking the 54th episode in the ongoing series of eruptions. This latest activity has again caught the attention of scientists and the public because the intensity of the lava flow has increased over the past few hours. According to the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory, the flow from the north vent initially reached only about 75 feet, 23 meters. However, the activity then intensified to about 500 feet, 152 meters. The Hawaiian Volcano Observatory explained that early signs of increased activity had actually been seen the previous day. Weak lava flow began yesterday and became more continuous after midnight. This activity then progressed to a lava outpouring from the north vent around 6 a.m. Several hours later, around 9 a.m., continuous low-intensity lava flows began. This activity indicates that magma pressure beneath Kilauea's summit area is again pushing molten material toward the surface. In addition to the lava flows, the 54th episode also produced a relatively tall column of volcanic material. The Hawaiian Volcano Observatory reported that the eruption column reached approximately 17,000 feet, 5,180 meters above sea level. This column consisted of ash, volcanic gases, and particles of rock and volcanic glass that were ejected into the atmosphere. Wind conditions then become an important factor in determining areas potentially exposed to volcanic material. Currently, the volcano's alert status is at watch level, while the aviation color code is at orange. This status indicates that eruptive activity is ongoing and could pose a hazard to aviation, primarily due to volcanic ash in the atmosphere and the wind is blowing from the northeast. According to the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory, volcanic material and gas emissions from the crater are likely to move southwestward. One of the dangers of lava flows is the formation of tephra, which are fragments of volcanic material ejected into the air during an eruption. Most of the larger material will usually fall not far from the eruption source. However, lighter particles can be carried farther by the wind. The Hawaiian Volcano Observatory warned that fine ash and light volcanic material known as Pele's hair could be carried to Pahala and other communities in the Kau district. Pele's hair is a volcanic glass fiber formed when molten lava breaks apart and is pulled by the wind during an eruption. This material is so light that it can be carried several kilometers from the crater. The National Weather Service also issued a special weather advisory late in the day, warning of possible ashfall. Low-level trade winds are expected to push the ash southwestward. Therefore, ashfall is potential in the Kau district and along Highway 11 southwest of the volcano. Potentially affected areas include Pahala, Wood Valley, Nalihu, and Ocean View. Residents in these areas are urged to reduce their exposure to volcanic ash. Ash can cause irritation to the eyes, nose, throat, and respiratory tract. People with air quality sensitivities are advised to take additional precautions if ash begins to fall. Hawaii County Civil Defense officials also reminded the public about the dangers of tephra on roadways. Falling volcanic material can reduce visibility and making road surfaces more dangerous. Drivers are advised to exercise increased caution, especially when entering areas experiencing ashfall or tephra fallout. Kilauea activity is currently ongoing in the Halemaʻumaʻu crater area. Scientists will continue to monitor changes in lava flow height, ash release, seismic activity, surface deformation, and changes in magma pressure beneath the volcano's summit. Episode 54 serves as a reminder that even though Kilauea's activity occurs within the crater, its eruptions can still have impacts felt far from the eruption source. With renewed lava flow, columns of volcanic material rising more than 5 kilometers, and the potential for ash to travel into residential areas, scientists will continue to monitor the activity to determine whether the eruption will remain at a low level or intensify in the coming hours and days.